But
Yeah.
if you go just a tiny bit up there, you can feel that there is now what you're wanting with your masculine is to like, because your masculine is the one that's like absorbing everything there.
Mm-hmm.
Like as in penetrating it, looking at it, but you never want with the masculine sort of has to learn how to look without looking. So how to be present without like defining.
Mm-hmm.
This is your personality here. So the personality just gently puts its presence there where she is. And yeah, there's a lot of sensation in there.
Mm. Yeah.